Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Metatrader 4 app on your PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, let's open browser. So here type download Metatrader 4 for PC. Now here you can see many links. Simply click on the first link that appears in search results. It will open this interface. Here, scroll down a bit and click on Download Metatrader 4 for Windows. Click on it and it will start downloading. Wait for it to download. After you downloaded it successfully, click on folder icon and here you can see the file, click on it. Now it starts installing on your laptop. Here click on next button. And once it will finish, you will have successfully downloaded Metatrader 4 on your laptop. And that's it. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thanks.